So as some of you already know, I've actually been moving over the last few days, so that's why I haven't had that many videos to upload. So obviously the first room that I worked on more than anything else is the computer room. So follow me and I'll take you on a little tour of what is my new computer place. So first I got my system here. This is my TJ07 with my 30-inch monitor. Got my KEF speakers hooked up finally now that I'm into my own place and I don't have to worry about the noise bothering anybody. Got a whole mess of wires going on down there. I'm doing my best with it, but obviously it's a bit of a challenge right now before I can buy exactly the lengths I need. Got my subwoofer, got an Onkyo receiver. I've had a lot of people actually asking me about my setup, so now that it's finally done properly, I can actually show you guys. Got my D-Link router, Shaw modem, and got a Netgear gigabit switch going on over there, which leads to the second computer in the house. That's the Corsair Obsidian. That's that build that I showed you a while back with the T-Virus Res. That's the 24-inch monitor, SteelSeries Xi, and those Makos that I unboxed a little while back. Then we've got some built-in bookshelves that are here. Got a whole bunch of stuff sort of piled on there. It's always a work in progress. It's kind of getting there. So here's a view of what the whole room sort of looks like, and where I have walked now, you see this door here, is into my computer storage closet. So I got my test bench, I got my huge thing full of cable sleeving stuff, and I apologize for the light not being that great in here. You can see it's lit by one little light bulb up in the corner, but there's a pile of hardware, there's a pile of cables and more hardware, and this is my pile of water cooling gear, box of tubing, all kinds of good stuff, another test bench. And then, which brings me to the other mystery door in my computer room here, which is another storage closet. So in here, oh, light's not on. There we go. So this is where I'm storing boxes for stuff, just in case you got an RMA or whatever. It's good to hold on to some boxes. I got one more monitor here. Then I got all my RC stuff, so I've got my my Blade MSR as well as my Sukhoi, however you pronounce that, I don't even know to be perfectly honest. Some more random RC stuff, and then I got my Windows Home server tucked away. So I've run an Ethernet cable through the wall to make sure that I'm getting network here and that the home server can give me nice fast transfer speeds, and oh, it's not even on, whatever. I'm actually using a ball mouse, that's how epically old the stuff hooked up to my home server is, but there you go. Anyway, that was pretty much all there was to say about it. This is my new computer room, and this is the view out the front of my new house.